It certainly has been a soggy day across the Wiregrass this Thursday. We started off with heavy rain, and going into the afternoon hours, things have settled down a little bit, but we're still tracking some of the heavier rain. Troy down into Coffee County, Covington County, and also south of the border down into Washington County, seeing some of that heavier rain. This is all moving in from the west, and we'll continue to have the threat for some showers heading into the overnight hours and for the first part of Friday. But as far as how much we've received, some totals not too impressive. Right around an inch is what we got at the airport. A little bit more to the west of the Wiregrass along I-65. That's where the heaviest rain fell, where well over 2 inches of rain has been estimated by Action Radar. As far as the temperatures this evening, with that cloud cover and moisture in place, staying in the 50s and 60s, it's going to be holding fairly steady as we do head into the evening hours and overnight, with those rain chances sticking around. Temperatures in the lower 50s by 10 o'clock overnight. We could cool off into the 40s for some locations. And for tomorrow, those temperatures are going to warm up into the 50s for a lot of locations, but it's going to feel a lot cooler out there thanks to a pretty strong wind out of the west. We have a wind advisory for most of the Wiregrass. The counties included in tan are under that advisory through the day tomorrow. Wind gusts could be as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour. The reason why I say Pike and Barber counties aren't included, and also Covington County are included. Different weather service offices, the counties that are highlighted, are included in the Tallahassee Weather Service coverage area. But check out the wind speeds for the entire Wiregrass. Sustained tomorrow morning, 25 to 30 miles per hour, and that's when those wind gusts will be the highest going into the afternoon hours. And even then, in the early evening, with those winds sustained, say 15 to 20 miles per hour, we'll still deal with those wind gusts a little bit higher than that. As far as what we are tracking across the region, we won't see a big change in those wind speeds until this cold front that's moving through the Mississippi River Valley now clears the area and allows high pressure to move back into the area, which will give us some nicer weather for the weekend. This area of low pressure will continue to spin across the southeast through tonight and through the day tomorrow, riding to the north, and will take most of the moisture with it. But until then, some Gulf moisture will have the potential to move in and give us some extra showers going through tonight and for tomorrow. As far as tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy by 10 o'clock. It's going to be before that when we'll have the highest chance for rain showers and a few storms across the area. That front will move through, and then eventually the skies will clear out for early Saturday morning, with that high pressure building in, giving us much nicer weekend conditions. A bit of sunshine out there, maybe just a little bit of thin cloud cover to filter the sunshine at times, but either way, it's going to be a nicer stretch of weather than what we have been dealing with for today and what we will be dealing with for tomorrow. As far as those temperatures tomorrow, there's a chance that some of us by the afternoon hours might just be in the upper 40s, but certainly that is how it will be feeling at the very least, with those strong winds out of the west clearing skies. Then, especially as we head into Saturday, that sunshine will help conditions at least look and feel a little bit warmer at times, despite those temperatures still staying on the cool side. For Saturday, 46 degrees for our low temperature for tonight, and then for tomorrow afternoon, right around 50 degrees with the best chance for rain early in the day. A lot of sunshine then for Saturday and for Sunday. Sunday will be the nicer of the two weekend days, calmer winds and warmer temperatures, but then those temperatures get even better for Monday and Tuesday of next week. Christmas Day, almost 70 degrees here in the Wiregrass. Our next chance for rain will move in late on Wednesday, and it looks like that rain chance will last through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.